Here's Daniel Dye looking on. There goes Greenfield.
Check up, hang on.
Yeah, he was going to be fine. Clay came up the racetrack and clipped him in the left rear corner.
I don't believe his night's over, though, Phil.
No, I don't think so. He has a flat tire. Obviously, we saw that, but he'll get in there.
Push it. Got the 23 out back, half off him. Push it. Come on, baby, let's go. Push it.
You heard his spotter tell him the whole time.
See what he sees.
Watch him here. Check up. Right front. Check up. Get it. Outside. Hang on to it. We're in.
Right along with him. You see the 20 of Matt Mills get really loose.
Oh, I love that. Fired up. Get on out of there. Of course, you lose when you stick it in the middle like that.
View from Daniel Dye.
Wow.
That's not the first time that's happened to Daniel's tonight.
Been behind. He's right. He's been behind every single thing that happened.
Every time there's a crash, let's ride on board with the 43.
Look, and they're still crashing, and he's just making his way through it. Great job by that young man.
Christian's going to have an eyeful right here. Jack just spins down in front of him.
Oh, wow.
It's go time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel Dye, nice job. Is Daniel Dye on?
He's getting overtime pay right now.
He's part of our broadcast team, for sure.
Look at this.
Wow.
What a great move.
It's right along with him as well. There's Brett Holmes right in front of him.
That is a great job of driving. I don't care if he did go for a spin. He squeezed into a hole, and he did it very, very patiently. In the middle of chaos, he was able to squeeze down low. I'm impressed by that move.
Looks like they touched him when he came off of Zane's truck. He looks like he got a little bit loose. I'm not even sure there was contact from Carson, was there?
No, I don't think Carson had anything to do with that.
Yeah.
There was contact after Nick was already crashing.
Right, he was going headed to the wall.
Right along with Danny Dye on his race to shop suicide onboard camera. Onboard. You could hear the tire just blew out right there. Remember I said you couldn't change directions in a hurry? Whoa.
Certainly it's going to be Daniel Dye's onboard that we're going to get a view.
Oh, like he came up into the 12 a little. I mean, it's hard to tell, but there was some contact. It looked. Watch this.
The left rear tire already down for Chase Purdy. Daniel does a great job. Just to
go to Daniel Dye. He'll get us some good pictures of this.
Front row seat.
Look at there. Good job.
You know how many accidents?
Early off the corner, you could see Daniel was making good progress. And I thought right there maybe Wallace was going to open up the line. He decided to close the door.
Keep coming.
That looked a whole lot like what happened.
At the line now. Need to maintain as much pace as possible for when these guys dump each other and hang on to it here. Hang on to it. Keep it running if you can.
Oh, here we go with our onboard reporter here. Look at that mess. Awesome.
Right here.
Just him. Clear behind him.
Oh.
Watch us spin in front here. Come on, keep coming. Hurry up, hurry. Caution's out.
That's when you just try to get out of there. Oh, guess who came to the party?
Yeah, without a doubt. Daniel Dye is going to
check up. He's down low. Stay your line. Stay your line. Watch him slide up here. Clear up.
Thank you, Daniel, for carrying that on board.
He's on the job.
Still there. Stay at the bottom here. Stay at the bottom. Watch your right. Check up. Right in front. Stay mid. Clear low. Watch up.
Tracking all around him again.
Daniel Dye, as usual. Looks like maybe, is that Johnny Sauter? Maybe the white truck gets to the inside of Haley and they make a little bit of contact. What a job that Jake Garcia did as well as Daniel Dye.
Here comes our in-race reporter. Did a nice job just blowing up, getting down off the racetrack. We're going to go on board Chris Hacker, the Morgan & Morgan camera. As you see, the action was behind him. That's where you like the action. Oh, here he is. He's right in the area. Yeah, she didn't. Her truck either slid up the hill or she just planted at this with his race to stop suicide onboard camera. Those are sometimes tough decisions, Phil. What he's going to see is just a truck that stops in front of him.
Never even had time to get out of the throttle. Still in the throttle when he got to Tyler Ankrum.
Here we go. Nice. See there for a second, Adam.
I think just a misjudgment by Chris Hacker.
See what Jesse Love saw.
Yeah, Taylor was up out of the.
You can certainly hear it from 2 trucks away.
He just slides up into a little bit of contact there. Just slid up the hill. Yeah. Clip Chase Purdy and clip the O2 of Hacker. And there's a lot of drivers that did not want to see that caution, but Grant Enfinger.
Yeah, Bailey, you could see it wiggle one time, got a little bit loose, and then the second time he was not able.
On board the Morgan & Morgan camera.
He sees the spinning truck ahead of him. Tucks it down to the bottom.
Cody Breitinger did a nice job as well getting stopped. She's doing a credible job.
Matt Crafton.
What a great move. Got by 2 trucks there. Depends on when the caution came out. After he was on.
Driving it all the way to the end, wasn't he?
Yeah, never give up on it.
Just got away from him.
Another situation of them getting out of Matt DiBenedetto's way.
Ask and you shall receive.
That's 2 more. Battle for his playoff life. You can see him just get classic loose off the corner.
Caught the right rear.
That could be 3 spots right there for Matt before he has to have tires. What about Daniel Dye? He was on the scene, wasn't he?
There are trucks everywhere. They're on the left, they're on the right. And we talked about Marco doing a great job.
On the inside, gets squeezed there a bit. That looks like a truck, but doesn't it?
Great camera shot.
Begs the question.
Riding on board with Connor Daly.
Good gas and go. Able to squeeze to the bottom.
From Daniel Dye's onboard camera.
Oh, man.
We saw him wiggle and almost caught it one time. Then it got away from him. And just no way to avoid that inside.
Oh, we see smoke. Look at that. Couldn't see where he was headed.
Onboard Daniel Dye.
Oh. Everybody behind him got wiped out.
Deegan is officially the free pass as we go on board with Daniel Dye.
Whoa. Long slide into the corner. Didn't look like there was any contact. Daniel right through the smoke. Hacker coming in.
You can see the trucks already.
Does a nice job of backing it down, keeping it under control. Oh, just got loose. Gunned it up, spun it around. It's going to make a little bit of contact.
Hardly any.
Yeah.
Hardly any. Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
Dean Thompson tried to
clear himself.
Clear himself to the outside.
See what happened here.
Landon Lewis's 04 was right behind Haley.
See what Ty Majeski saw here from his onboard camera.
Ben gave him plenty of room. He had the entire blacker part of the racetrack. I'm squeezed into the outside wall by the 2 truck of Nick Sanchez.
You don't think that was a little payback, do you, Phil? That'll get your attention. You can see the smoke up ahead. So nice when you see the truck.
Talk about footwork. Will you believe in that? This is his most recent rep right here. Go way to the inside. See Corey Rope.
See what he sees. He sees a mess.
He was so quick.
He had a little bit of contact, goes through the grass.
Back here.
Oh, he didn't expect the
Tanner Gray.
15 to stop, and Nick was a little hotter than him.
You see how much he slid up to get to the 11 of Corey Heim. A full lane up.
See this coming.
No, sure did.
Right there, just up the hill.
Whew. Big hit. It's right up.
Watch Jesse Love, that one truck.
He got loose.
Got loose into Grant and Derek Kraus.
Right there. You heard Ben grab fourth, and I think Zane went for fourth and missed it.
Grant comes to being involved in this.
Gunned her right on through there.